Struggling with the summer heat and indoor air quality? Discover our top 5 portable air conditioners with carbon filters that not only cool your space, but also purify the air you breathe. Check the links in the description to find your perfect match and enjoy a fresher, cooler home. The number 5 product on our list is Dreo AC 515S. If you're seeking a portable air conditioner that combines robust performance with modern features, the Dreo AC 515S stands out among the top 5 portable ACs with carbon filters. Boasting a 12,000 BTU ASHRAE cooling capacity, it effectively cools rooms up to 350 square feet, making it ideal for medium-sized spaces. Unlike many units, the Dreo AC 515S offers drainage-free operation when humidity levels are below 85%, thanks to its dedicated condenser and water pump. Smart control is at your fingertips with compatibility for Amazon Alexa, Google Home, and the Dreo app, allowing you to adjust settings remotely. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes provides versatile comfort options. Installation is hassle-free with universal window kits fitting windows from 17 to 53. While it doesn't feature a carbon filter, its dehumidifying function helps improve indoor air quality. In comparison to other top portable ACs with carbon filters, the Dreo AC 515S offers a balance of power, quiet operation, and smart features, making it a compelling choice for those seeking efficient cooling and convenience. Number 4 is Whynter ARC 1010. Did you know that some portable ACs can actually worsen indoor air quality? Enter the Whynter ARC 1010WD, a standout among the top 5 portable ACs with carbon filters. This 11,000 BTU dual-hose unit not only cools rooms up to 350 square feet efficiently but also purifies the air with its activated carbon filter and washable pre-filter. Its 4 operational modes, cooling, dehumidifying, fan, and automatic, offer versatility, while the self-evaporating system minimizes maintenance by exhausting most condensate automatically. Operating at a quiet 51 dBA, it's ideal for bedrooms and offices. However, some users have noted challenges with its bulkiness and drainage in high humidity areas. Compared to other models in its class, the ARC 110WD excels in air purification and cooling efficiency, making it a smart choice for those prioritizing clean, cool air. If you value air quality and efficient cooling, this unit is worth considering. However, if portability and ease of drainage are top priorities, you might explore other options. The third one on our list is SereneLife 10,000 BTU. Did you know that a portable AC can cool your room and purify the air simultaneously? The SereneLife 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner stands out in the top 5 portable ACs with carbon filters, offering efficient cooling and air purification for spaces up to 450 square feet. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, ensures versatility for various climate needs. The built-in dehumidifier combats humidity, creating a comfortable and mold-free environment. Users appreciate its compact design, smooth wheels, and side handles, making it easy to move between rooms. The digital touch panel and remote control provide convenient operation, while the washable double-layer filter maintains air quality. However, some users have reported a fishy odor after extended use, possibly due to mold buildup, highlighting the importance of regular maintenance. Compared to other models, the SereneLife offers a balance of performance and affordability, making it a smart choice for those seeking comfort and air purification in one unit. If you prioritize easy installation, portability, and multifunctionality, this unit is worth considering. On number 2 is R.W.FLAME 10,000 BTU. Did you know that indoor air can be up to 5 times more polluted than outdoor air? The R.W.FLAME 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner addresses this concern by offering a 3-in-1 solution: cooling, dehumidifying, and air circulation. Its washable double-layer filter ensures cleaner air, making it a valuable addition to any home. Designed for rooms up to 450 square feet, it provides efficient cooling with a temperature range of 62 dF to 86 dFF. The unit operates quietly at 48 dB, ensuring a peaceful environment. Its portability, facilitated by rolling wheels, allows easy movement between rooms without permanent installation. Compared to other top portable ACs with carbon filters, the R.W.FLAME offers a more compact and affordable option, though it lacks an activated carbon filter. However, some users have reported issues with the dehumidifier function and customer support. Overall, for those seeking a budget-friendly, efficient cooling solution with basic air purification, The R.W.FLAME 10,000 BTU portable air conditioner is a commendable choice. Now, moving to the last one is BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU. Did you know that the BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU portable air conditioner can transform a sweltering 350 SQFT room into a cool haven in just 20 minutes? This compact unit is a game changer for those battling intense summer heat, especially in small apartments or bedrooms. Its 3-in-1 functionality, cooling, dehumidifying, and fan modes, offers versatile climate control, while the auto water evaporation system minimizes maintenance hassles. The unit operates at a relatively quiet 54 dB, making it suitable for light sleepers. However, some users have noted that the compressor can be noisy when it kicks in, and the remote control lacks a backlight, which can be inconvenient at night. Compared to other top portable ACs with carbon filters, like the Whynter ARC14S, which offers dual hose efficiency and superior air purification, the BLACK+DECKER model lacks an activated carbon filter, which might be a consideration for those with allergies or in need of air cleaning features. Nonetheless, for its price point and cooling efficiency, it's a solid choice for those seeking immediate relief from the heat. If you're looking for a portable AC that offers both cooling and air purification, you might want to explore other options with built-in carbon filters. In our deep dive into the top 5 portable ACs with carbon filters, the BLACK+DECKER 8,000 BTU unit emerges as the standout choice. Its rapid cooling, energy efficiency, and user-friendly design make it ideal for small to medium-sized rooms. While the Whynter ARC 110WD and SereneLife 10,000 BTU models offer commendable features, the BLACK+DECKER's balance of performance and affordability sets it apart. For those seeking a reliable and efficient cooling solution, this unit is a top recommendation. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 portable ACs with carbon filters. Air cleaning. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.